Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm NoCode, and you're watching the NoCodeTech on YouTube. And today, I'm going to start taking a look at these Energizer AA batteries, rechargeable nickel metal hydrides. Okay, so these Energizers are 1300 milliamp hours. They are nickel metal hydrides with a nominal voltage of 1.2 volts. Now these are loose. They did come in a package of more than 8, but some of them disappeared to go with the kids. But I got 8 of them here, fresh and brand new. And I got my little multi-ohmmeter here, so we're gonna see how much charge these come with out of the box, and then sitting in my drawer for a week's time, but never used. 1.384 volts, 1.344 volts, 1.343 volts, 1.344 volts, 1.340 volts, 1.370, 1.342, and I'm missing one. How do you lose a battery? Found it, guys. It was on the floor. I don't know how I didn't even hear it hit the floor. 1.3, calm down, 1.339. Okay, so with a nominal voltage of 1.2 volts, and they're all reading somewhere around 1.3-ish, something or others. I'm gonna say that they came charged, but I got them in my EBL smart charger here for nickel metal hydrides. I wanna plug it into the wall over there, and we will see how long it takes to charge these. Hey folks, while we wait for those batteries there to charge up, look what I got. Look what I got for Christmas. Isn't that cool? Got a Yaesu FT-818. But what I'm excited about is I also got the, what is this? FBA-25. And this is for putting dubs. You put your AA's up in here and grab some AA's. Oh, we might be having problems with this. Energizer! With the little bunny, just keeps going and going and going. I've not found that to be true. Check it. You just put a bunch of dubs up in there, 6 of them. Slip her on in there. Snatch match. Doesn't turn on. Does not turn on. Crap. Okay. So, put these on in about, what, quarter till? It is now 1/2 past, so that's what, 45 minutes? So it's not bad. Got our Fluke 107 here. We're gonna test the DC voltage on these real quick. 1.388, 1.4, 1.387, 1.377, 1.387, 1.370, 1.386, and 1.401. Cool.
Sponsor time.
Merishan, a name your family knows and can trust for quality and great tasting ramen noodle soups.
What the heck? What are you possibly stuck on? Okay, so we got the 818 turned over here, and I guess the real test, the real purpose of this video is, do they fit into the battery tray? A lot of the other ones, rechargeables that I've been playing with, mostly EBLs and some the Akilatas, and I think there was a couple other ones, but I don't know. Those didn't seem to fit. They were just too darn snug. Now that's some snug there. You know, that's not 100% loosey-goosey in there, but it seemed to go in. And yeah, kind of snug, but they're in. Let's see if she turns on. Let me flip it over. There we are, yeah. All right, and we got 10.8 volts. So get a decent power output from her. But yeah, they seem to fit. Let's see at the Door should close just fine on top of them. And it does. So there we go. The cheapo Energizers. What the heck. Why is it not working now? Y'all saw that it was working. It works. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it just got a little loose or something. But it seems to work. I can turn it on and off. So I'm gonna say that was a fluke. Just didn't want to work for that time. Not this kind of fluke. Different kind of fluke. That was a good joke. At least I thought so. I don't know. So I'm pop these up. But anyway, that's really I think that's the extent of the video. So kind of boring. Whoa, daisies. So yeah. Thank you so very much for watching. You have yourself a wonderful day, and bye-bye.